Oh crap, this is really... So, I'm trying to eat lunch, and I'm shoving food in my mouth, and I look out, and there is a poor little squirrel going, "Oh, you woman, who is large and has food, could you give me some, please?" And me going, "Oh, it's cold out there. He's all fluffy. Poor little guy. I should get him some food." So I'm a little bit guilty for eating my lunch now, because this squirrel is passing judgment on me. Sorry, this is shaky. Bye, squirrel. Okay, part 2 from Squirrel Watch. He's gotten closer. Can you see his little tail? He's looking at me. Well, not really. Okay. Squirrel, different angle. Oh, he's drinking water. Oh, that's cute. Okay, he doesn't want to kill me for my food now, so I feel a little bit better. Hello, squirrel. See squirrel? Look. There's a squirrel. He's doing squirrel cuteness.
I want to see it.
Can you see him out the window?